Hi, my name is Payal Kundu and my today topic is how can you remove your fear in speaking language. So, what you have to do is you have to practice and practice. You have to practice a lot. If you're a student, if you're doing some job, so what you have to do is basically if you can see that they cannot get too much time from their self, so for this is so if you're outside, if you came back home, that time you can do is that listen something in English and gradually you can improve yourself. You can also see that thing that you are improving a lot day by day. So trust yourself. If you are not trust yourself, then it's not easy. No one can do it. So you have to do, if you have to trust yourself a lot, and you have to practice a lot, and thirdly you have to be patient. So you don't lose your patience because it's not a easy language, it's unknown for me. You have to love your language, you have to know English, you have to love English. If you don't know about English, then you cannot improve your language. So whatever you are doing, please love that thing easily, and gradually you can love. If you are loving it, you can easily progress it. So build your confidence. How can you build your confidence? It's everyone question. So I want to tell you that please be patient and trust yourself, and get time for your language. Please get time for your language. If you are not getting too much time, so listen something, read something. Okay. And third point is everyone asking us, asking that like yeah, we are listening, we are reading, but we don't have any partner to talk about. So yeah, nowadays your friends and family members are not, don't know too much English. So what you have to do is you have to join some institute. You can join some English, spoken English institute. They are very much capable, so they can easily support you. They can you are not talking, you are not finding anyone to talk, so they can obviously they can talk with you. So it's not too much difficult. If you love your language, if you are too much tenacity that you can do it, then you can do it. So love your language, trust yourself. My point is end. So thank you, bye.